Hello guys, today we will review Speechelo. It is an AI text-to-speech program or tool. Let's first go over the main website and then I'm actually going to show you how it works. Here's the main website. Instantly transform any text into a 100% human sounding voiceover with only 3 clicks. Male and female voices they got, over 30 human sounding voices. You got 3 ways to read the text, for example joyful, serious and normal. You got many languages as well, and it works with any video creation software, for example Adobe Premiere. And here you can see how it works. There is a deal, by the way. It's a founder special offer right now. It's a one-time payment and then you get full access to it. It's in the link is in the description. Then you get this offer. It is an affiliate link, but if you would like to use it, you're absolutely free to use it, of course, for the deal. Let's jump right into the main program. So here we are. This is Speechelo, and let's click, for example, I got the pro version, and let's click on Summer. Let's say hello, my name is Summer and I will be in your YouTube video talking to humans. And let's actually generate it. And you can, this is only 77 characters and there's a limit of 20,000. And here it is down below. Here it's generated. I have done a lot of generated. I've used it a lot. But let's click on play.
Hello, my name is Summer and I will be in your YouTube.
That is actually Summer. And you got many more.
Good day, I'm Cooper and I'm a native English speaker.
Okay, I like this one actually pretty much.
Good day, I'm Wyatt, and I'm a native English.
My name is Andrew.
There are a lot of kind.
I'm Owen.
And some are better than others.
Hey, my name is Clara and I can speak in multiple
I
languages.
think this is actually a really good one if you want to read the news out, for example. And you got all kinds of voices. And then you can also do different languages. For example, let's do Dutch, where I'm from. Let's click on Garrett. What I've typed there is, hello, my name is Garrett and I love YouTube. So let's generate it and let's see how it goes. Let's click here.
Hallo, mijn naam is Gerrit en ik houd van YouTube.
Okay, this is actually good for the Dutch version. Of course, you get a lot of more languages, but I'm not familiar with the pronunciation of these languages. I cannot really say if they're good or bad. But for Dutch it's working really well.
Native.
This one is really good. Okay, you also got a standard voice.
Hallo.
But the AI voice is better in my opinion. You can add pauses. You can adjust the speed, the volume, the speaking rate if you want to. You can also translate the text or import your YouTube caption if you want to. And let's click on cancel. And here you can also download them and the amount of characters you can see here and when you created these. And let's go back. And here you see there are 284 voices. 41 voices are generated, 126 characters used, and 5 unique voices used for now. You also have a worldwide version. I own Speechelo and Speechelo Pro and I can get 5 free extra voices if I want to. Let's actually show you the worldwide version, what it does. Let's go to the website. Okay, you have to purchase this one separately as I see, but I don't really know what it adds up, but maybe it works. And here you got also background music, bonus, and there's a training if you want to. Here's also background music you can use. For example, this upbeat. You can use that in your videos. There's a bonus, so a voiceover cache machine. Click on it. And also a training if you want to get trained on Speechelo. This is actually how to use Speechelo and how to create a video. If you got, for example, Adobe Premiere Pro, you can download it and drag it right in. And here you can see a video of the worldwide version and campaigns, and here's a full training video. There are many more things to do. Let's go one time back to the website. Here it is, the main website. The link is in the description. Like I said, it's it's a one-time payment, so no monthly fees, and there's now a 63% discount if you use the link. And here are some reviews and what you can do with it. Yeah, that's actually it. If you have any questions, please leave them below in the comments and I will try to help you out.